Today we're going to review Google Merchant Center, an important tool for e-commerce businesses advertising on Google Ads. We'll look into these topics: what is Merchant Center, its benefits, how to add products to the Merchant Center, and how to fix Merchant Center issues. Hi, I'm Andrey with Addi Marketing, where I help e-commerce businesses run Google Ads. Let's get to it. What is Google Merchant Center? Google Merchant Center is a free tool that enables businesses to advertise their products on Google platforms. Merchant Center serves as a central hub between the e-commerce store and Google Ads. Here, product data is organized, validated, and distributed as ads across Google platforms. In 2023, Google introduced a completely reimagined version of the Merchant Center, called Google Merchant Center Next. Currently, both Next and Classic versions of Merchant Center are available. The Next has a few unique things like Product Studio, but it still lacks fundamental features like supplementary feeds and feed rules. Google plans to eventually phase out Classic entirely and integrate its features into Next. If you have Next, you can switch back to the Classic by clicking on Help and Feedback and selecting Use Classic Merchant Center. Once you switch to Classic, you won't be able to go back to Merchant Center Next. In this video, I'll be covering the Classic Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center is free to use. You only need a Google account. Technically, you don't have to spend anything to show your products. Once they're added to the Merchant Center, the products will start appearing as free listings in the Google Shopping tab and other Google platforms. However, if you choose to promote your products via Google Shopping campaigns, you'll be required to pay on a cost-per-click basis. Merchant Center does more than just help Google in validating data. It also provides several benefits to advertisers. Let's explore the advantages offered by Merchant Center. Diagnostics. The Diagnostics view gives a helpful overview of your product's status, spots possible issues, and suggests fixes. It explains any alerts or rejections and gives advice of how to fix them. Performance Overview. The Overview section provides a quick look at your product's performance across Google's platforms, like Shopping Ads, free listings, or Buy on Google. Edit and update existing product data. Merchant Center lets you update products in a few ways. You can use a supplementary feed, feed rules, or update products directly on the product page. We'll explore these options below. Merchant Promotions. Promotions improve your shopping ads by highlighting your online deals. When promotions are added to your products on Google, customers see a special offer link. This could be a 15% discount or free shipping or a special badge. To set up promotions, open Marketing and Promotions view. If the Promotions view is not there, you need to enable the Promotions program in the Growth Manage Programs section. Programs. Promotions are one of the extra Merchant Center features that are called programs. Merchant Center programs let you expand your product data beyond just shopping ads. To start, you need to opt into a program in the Growth Manage Programs section. Automatic improvements. Automatic improvements aim to fix some issues automatically, saving you a significant amount of time and reducing headaches. Automatic item updates keep your shopping ads data in sync with your website. They spot and fix changes in price, availability, and condition. So if your feed says a product costs $4, but your website says it's $3, it will be corrected to $3. These mismatches are fixed quickly, helping to avoid possible account problems and disapprovals. Auto-item updates can handle only a limited number of mismatches and will stop working at a certain point, so it's important to continue providing accurate product data regularly. Automatic image improvements tries to fix product disapprovals caused by promotional text on images. It attempts to remove this text. If successful, the item will be reapproved. Shipping and tax settings. Merchant Center is where you set your shipping and tax details. Keeping this information current is important because it appears in all your ads. Outdated details might drive potential customers towards other stores. Feed rules. Feed rules let you change or add details to the product data coming from your e-commerce platform. With feed rules, you can correct errors in your shopping feed, implement multiple changes to your feed, Optimize products with aspects like title improvements and custom labels. Multiple data issues are still easier to fix in your e-commerce back-end. But if you can't access the back-end for any reason, feed rules are the solution. Using feed rules is convenient when you have a small product range, don't require many changes, or advertise only on Google. If you advertise on other platforms like Microsoft or Meta in addition to Google and want to optimize your feed still in one place, you can use third-party feed management tools like GoDataFeed or DataFeed Watch. To start advertising in Google Shopping Ads, you must submit your product data in the form of a shopping feed to the Merchant Center. There are 3 ways to do that. API-based plugin, extension, or app. Popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce usually provide API-based apps, plugins, or extensions to automatically sync your products with Merchant Center. Sometimes, instead of API integration, an e-commerce platform provides a feed URL. This URL can be added to the Merchant Center and configured to sync periodically. Manual upload. If the above methods don't work for you, you can put your products in a spreadsheet and upload it in Google Merchant Center. If you use Google Sheets spreadsheet, things become a lot simpler as Google has many detailed instructions. However, adding products as a manual upload is still time-consuming and susceptible to errors. Use this option only if you don't have other choices. You can also add individual products directly to your Merchant Center. This method is suitable for occasional ad hoc product additions or changes. The latter 2 methods are manageable for smaller online stores with few products and infrequent changes, as the product data needs to be updated each time a product is modified. Resolving Merchant Center issues. Let's look at the 3 categories of Merchant Center issues. Account issues affect your entire account or an entire country. These are fundamental issues such as the link between Google Ads and Merchant Center, URL verification problems, or policy violations. Feed issues have to do with uploading, fetching, or validating your product feeds. Both account and feed issues should be addressed first to avoid the account suspension. Product or item issues. If you ever managed Merchant Center, you must know what product issues are. They happen when products do not meet certain rules and requirements. This usually involves missing or wrong details, policy breaches like a mismatch between the product price in your list and your store, or incorrect statuses like in stock and out of stock. There are 2 severity levels of product level issues. Product with warnings will keep showing on Google but less often. Unresolved warnings can eventually lead to disapprovals. Disapproved products are not visible on Google. The issue must be fixed for reapproval. To start resolving product level issues, go to Diagnostics. It will tell you exactly what kind and where all the problems are happening. To fix product level issues, edit your product data, correct the problem, and re-upload it to Merchant Center. Fix suggestions. Each product level issue includes a Fix Suggestions link, which offers guides on how to resolve the issue. Fix Suggestions links are visible at the All Products page alongside the Diagnostics page. Many product issues happen around incorrect product identifiers, such as GTIN, MPN, and brand attributes. This can be tricky to resolve, so I have created a video to help. Now it's hopefully clearer to you why Merchant Center is called a one-stop shop for online product management. I'm Andrey with Addi Marketing. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, I would love if you hit like and subscribe. If you have any feedback for me, please leave your comment below. All this really helps me to improve my content and help my channel to get discovered by more people, so I could help more people out there.